Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your racetrack business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding ticket info, pricing, availability, schedules and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your race tracking business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, you need to open WhatsApp web. I will enter a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have entered my message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me to the Pabbly racetrack, and with that they have provided me few action button, buy ticket, racer registration, live update and alerts, view race schedule, talk to support. Let's click on view race schedule. As soon as I have clicked on view race schedule, I got a response in which they have mentioned all the details of their racing schedule with their location. With that also, they have provided me two action button, menu and talk to support. Let's click on the menu option. As soon as I have clicked on the menu option, I got the initial message again. This time, let's click on racer registration. To register, they want few details like race category, four-wheeler. After giving category, they want vehicle type. I will enter vehicle type. Now they want to know about city and team, if any. I will enter the city. As they got every single detail, they have sent me a confirmation message in which they say that our team will review your entry and confirm your slot. And with that also, they have provided me two action button, menu and talk to support. Let's click on talk to support. As you can see, I got a response in which they mention that no worries, a Pabbly racetrack team member will contact you shortly for ticketing, race entry or media query. Our support hours are Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thanks for racing with us. So with that, you can see this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much fun and better. That too without any manual efforts. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for racing business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your racing track business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about the three main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find, match, or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use reject, which will going to understand what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button and connect with my flow start. Over here, I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to enter my welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message. Welcome to Pabbly Racetrack, your pit stop for all things speed, adrenaline and racing. What would you like to do today? Choose an option below. For that, I'm going to give view action button. For giving action button, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text. Buy tickets, race registration. For my third action button, I'm going to enter live update and alerts. I want to provide few more action button. For that, again, I'm going to click on add content button, write my message, view more, and I'm going to enter my action button as view race schedule and talk to support. Now, after giving action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. Let's start with buy tickets. For that, I'm going to provide a separate message to my customer. I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, in which I have mentioned different tickets with their pricing. Now with that, I have provided 3 action button 1, 2, 3 according to my tickets number, and for that I'm going to give separate payment link as well. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, in which I will provide separate link like this. And with that, I'm going to provide an action button which says done and talk to support. If their payment is done, they will click on the done option and I'm going to provide a message for that like this, which says your payment has been successfully received. And for talk to support, I'm going to type a separate message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, which says no worry, a Pabbly Racetrack team member will contact you shortly. For ticketing, racing entry or media queries, our support hours are Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thank you for racing with us. Now, for every link, I'm going to provide a separate message like this, where I have put separate message and link for each option, and I have also connected my action button with the messages. Now, as we are done with our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is race registration. For that, I'm going to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question box, connect with my action button and enter my message. Ready to hit the track as a racer, please reply with the following. Number 1, racing category, 2-wheeler, 4-wheeler or drift. I'm going to select my contact custom field as category and my format as any. Now, after knowing the category, I want to know about vehicle type, engine. For that, I'm going to again drag and drop ask question button, connect with my previous question and enter my message, vehicle type and engine specific. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as type and my format as any. Now, after knowing engine type and specification of vehicle, I want to know about the address of the racer. I'm going to drag and drop ask question box, connect with my previous question and enter my message, city and team if any. I'm going to select my contact custom field as location and my format as any. Now, after that, as I got every single detail of my racer, I'm going to send them a confirmation message. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message. Our team will review your entry and confirm your slot. With that, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. And I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support. Like this. Now, I'm going to move to our next action button, which is live update and alert. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message in which I will provide all the live updates and alerts like this. And with that, I have provided two action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to again connect my menu button with the initial message and connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support like this. Now let's move to our next action button, which is view race schedule. In this message, I'm going to provide all the schedules for my racing. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, in which I have mentioned all the dates with the racing events. And with that, I have also mentioned the location. Again, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. Similarly, I'm going to connect menu button with our initial message and I'm going to connect talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support. Even I'm going to connect this talk to support button that we have put in the initial message with that message as well, like this. So yes, as you can see, I have made this chatbot and filled all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for race tracking business. Now, on to our last step. Don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.